Hi Sam. Today we're learning the word
Titel.
Hi Alex. What does
Titel.
mean?
Great question.
Titel.
Means title in English. It's commonly used to refer to the title of a book, movie, or even a job.
Is there anything tricky about this word?
Yes, there are some false friends. In English,
Title.
sounds similar to,
Titular.
but they have different meanings. The most common use of
Titel.
is for names of works like books and films.
What about the grammar?
Titel.
Is a masculine noun. So we say,
Der Titel.
in the singular, and the plural is.
Die Titel.
Got it. How do I use it in different tenses?
In the present tense, you might say,
Ich habe einen Titel.
meaning I have a title. If you use the past tense, it could be,
Ich hatte einen Titel.
for I had a title. In the perfect tense, you'd say,
Ich habe einen Titel gehabt.
And what about commands?
you could say,
Gib mir den Titel.
which means, give me the title.
Where does the word
Titel.
come from?
It comes from the Latin word,
Titulus.
which means inscription or label. The term evolved through Old High German and Middle High German before it became what we use today.
That's fascinating.
Now, let's break down the word.
Titel.
It's straightforward, as it doesn't have a prefix or suffix. But if you look at it closely, you can see how it connects to the idea of naming or labeling something important.
Interesting.
Speaking of connections, there are similar words we can explore. For example, there's,
Titelblatt.
which means title page. We break it down to,
Titel.
and,
Blatt.
which means page.
What about other similar words?
Sure. We can look at words with the same ending like,
Kapiteltitel.
which means chapter title. Then there's,
Untertitel.
meaning subtitle. Both of those combined.
Titel.
With other words,
What about different prefixes?
there's,
Abtitel.
which means subtitle too but focuses on the division from the main title. And words like,
Vorwort.
and,
Nachwort.
don't include,
Titel,
but they relate to parts of a book.
Can we practice using?
Titel.
In real-life situations.
Absolutely. Let's say you're at a bookstore. You might ask,
welchen Titel empfehlen Sie?
meaning which title do you recommend?
Okay, I'll try.
Welchen Titel empfehlen Sie?
Nicely done. Another situation could be at work. If you're discussing a project, you could say,
Ich brauche einen Titel für das Projekt.
which means I need a title for the project.
Got it.
Ich brauche einen Titel für das Projekt.
Perfect. Lastly, if you're talking about a movie, you might say,
Wie heißt der Titel dieses Films?
meaning what is the title of this movie?
Wie heißt der Titel dieses Films?
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints. Since
Titel,
is masculine, you might remember it with the ending, which is often found in masculine nouns.
That's helpful.
Also, think of a vivid image. Picture a man holding a book with a big golden
Titel,
on it.
What about how to use?
Titel.
Correctly.
Titel,
Is typically neutral, but it can be formal when discussing works of art. Some typical collocations include
der Titel des Buches. Ein bekannter Titel.
and,
Den Titel gewinnen.
Are there any words that are similar and might confuse me?
yes, you might mix it up with
Titeln.
plural, or,
Titular.
which refers to someone holding a title without authority. Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of?
Titel.
It's masculine.
Correct. What's the plural form?
Titel.
Exactly. Can you give me a sentence using
Titel.
in the perfect tense?
Ich habe einen Titel gehabt.
Well done. What about a command using
Titel.
Gib mir den Titel.
perfect? Lastly, what does
Untertitel.
mean?
Subtitle.
Right. You're doing great. To recap, we learned about
Titel.
its meanings, how to use it in various tenses, and some fascinating history.
Thanks for the great lesson, Alex.
Anytime, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll master these words in no time.